This is an asana lying on the tummy, and you start by getting your hands beside your chest, palms on the floor, bend the knees as much as you can, lift the body up with your arm strength, get the arms straight and push the head right back, bend the spine backwards so that the head is supported by the feet, both the feet. Hold as long as you can, breathing relaxed, and then when you have finished, slowly return to starting position, first with the head down, rest on your forehead, legs down slowly, hands beside the body,